everyone. I am here to talk about very general things, so I hope you all can relate. So I was cooking the other day and I forgot to switch off the gas stove. So the food in the frying pan got stuck. Now I had two options. Either I could scrub the pan then only with lots and lots of hard work, or I could pour some water in it and keep the pan aside for a few hours so that the food could automatically loosen on its own from the pan. So this was the example I read in a book, and I could relate this example with our machine, that is our body and mind. When we get surrounded with negative emotions such as anger, we also have two options. Either we could scrub it then only, causing more and more anger, or we could step outside the situation, sit in a peaceful corner, and do some thinking. That what was the reason that was causing that anger? Many a times we will get answer that I cannot control that situation or the person. That is the time when we have to make peace with the fact that we are not here to control anyone. Imagine when we cannot control a small emotion such as anger, how can we control other things, right? That is the moment when you have the chance to become aware of yourself. In the moment of anger, bring back yourself and step outside your body and let your mind observe the changes that are happening with your body, physical or mental changes, like the heartbeat going up. Acknowledge these changes and moment by moment let go of this feeling. Breath by breath, let go of that anger. When it's done, smile and hug yourself. When everything around you is moving so fast, stop and ask, is it the world that is moving so fast, or is it your mind? So as I end this short video, I would like to suggest you all to be blank. Yes, be blank. Only then you can welcome any situation as God's gift to you. When you start practicing being blank, you have not set any expectation, good or bad. So when something good happens, emit gratitude. And when something happens that you don't like, become a learner. Learn what that particular situation has taught you, and again be grateful for it. When you are in a situation which you don't like, ask for strength from God, because time will pass. It is its very nature. If you are in a situation that makes you angry, become aware of your surroundings. For example, you can focus on the walls, curtains, clock. Why? Just to bring your mind back to the present. The key here is practice and patience. Nothing happens overnight. You have to train yourself. Life is a learning process throughout. New experience, new knowledge, new learning. So with this note, thank you for watching, and remember, there is no learning outside daily life. Keep spreading love, happiness and kindness because our planet needs it.